The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the frame. Insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.